Brabender, where quality is measured. The applications of the Brabender testing devices stand out for their effective and practice-oriented simulation, easy handling, comfortable cleaning of the devices, and the sustainably informative and comprehensive evaluation of the test results. Cost minimization is becoming increasingly important. Brabender testing devices stand for shorter development times, the development of optimized recipes, less material requirements, and therefore guaranteed cost and time savings. Continuous control of running production is of particular importance in order to respond immediately and thus avoid unnecessary material losses. Production can then always be flexibly adapted to current conditions. Even the profit arising from the use of Brabender testing devices is directly quantifiable. The benefits of using a farinograph can be demonstrated in a simple example. 300 tons of flour are processed in a mill each day. Optimized, that is to say, higher water absorption of 0.3%, will allow the mill to justify a higher sales price of plus 0.001 per kilogram. This will result in an additional turnover of 90,000 euros per year. Brabender GmbH activities are concentrated on two main areas: measuring and testing technology for the food sector and for the plastics industry. A large part of the business volume of Brabender GmbH is the production of devices for the food sector. One of the most popular testing technology systems in that division is the Brabender three-phase system, consisting of the components farinograph, extensograph, and amylograph. These are Brabender products that have become virtually indispensable for the milling and baking industries.
In general, I can say that there is no right or wrong raw material. The problem mostly is the wrong usage. So with the Brabender instruments you can select the quality of the raw materials, and this at the end brings for the miller and the bakery this benefit that they have both really the best products, not in their compound together, but also with the end users.
Carl Wilhelm Brabender developed the first farinograph in the late 1920s to guarantee continuously high quality in large capacity bakeries. The device was continuously improved and is today considered as a high-tech measuring device. Reliable and reproducible testing of flour quality and dough processing characteristics are basic requirements in the milling and baking industry and in other areas of food production in order to ensure continuously optimized flour quality for various bakery or noodle products. Furthermore, Brabender developed the extensograph to optimize quality assurance. The device determines and checks the elasticity of the dough and the baking characteristics when in the oven. The Brabender three-phase system is completed with the amylograph, which tests the gelatilization characteristics of starch and enzyme activity of flour. These are critical tests to assess the quality of the flour and its suitability for various applications. The Brabender GmbH product spectrum covers many more devices, which due to their modularity allow flexible client applications in the plastics production as well. The distinction of the Brabender TSE 2040D docking station as an excellent laboratory device is based on its practice-oriented scale-down and its cylinder screw concept. Multiple dosing openings and the modular structure of the screw allow easy adaptation to almost any compounding task. Brabender, where quality is measured. Brabender Company in Duisburg, founded by Carl Wilhelm Brabender in 1923, is one of the leading manufacturers of devices and equipment for the testing of material quality and physical characteristics. Brabender devices are currently used in all areas of research, development, and industrial production in the sectors for food and plastics processing. Initially, the long-established company was specialized in the repair of electromotors and transformers. Very early, however, in 1927, the company began developing the first measuring and testing devices for the milling and food industries, the Farinograph, which form the headstone for the portfolio Brabender offers today. The export quota for the division's plastics and food is at a whopping 85%. Brabender agencies have been opened in more than 90 countries worldwide.
Special is that Brabender is still a family business and that we've got employees who work with us for partly many generations. And how is more to say if people start their apprenticeship here and stay with us until retirement, or that the parents tell their children, come to Brabender, join with us. And I think it's the pride of the employees to be with Brabender. So I think the advantage is that everyone is not just familiar with us, that the employees are responsible for their work. They try to give a bit more than usually, and I think the little bit more makes a difference, makes proud to be with Brabender. The world became more and more rapid and the technological wheel turns faster and faster. Therefore, we need a team which has the intention to provide the best benefit for the customer.
That is the yardstick by which Brabender is measured, now and in the future. Quality made in Germany.